from cars to race, bridge po sana ito sa towards yung transition of fossil fuel vehicles to electric vehicle. Kasi may commitment ng Pilipinas by 2040, ang target supposedly ng Pilipinas is that 50% of yung mga tumatakbong sasakyan sa ating mga lansangan ay electric vehicle. So, on our part, dahil as part of the Just Transition program ng gobyerno, we're expecting na kasi na yung posible yung mangyari to. So, we have an earlier discussion with the Department of Trade and Industry na magkaroon na ng training center para sa mga kasalukuyang employed sa mga manufacturing plant na maturuan na magkaroon ng kasanayan sa pagbuo ng electric vehicle as part of the Just Transition program. And it was positively received by the DTI. Actually, may MOA kami na sinainan together with TESDA para magkaroon ng training center for such.